Dr. Firdaus Ara is asking, if you need to do sajda for sahw in your fard prayer, but you forgot. So after sunnah prayer you remember, but now you need to do sajda for sunnah prayer also. What should you do now? In any case, Sujud As-Sahw or prostration for forgetfulness is prescribed whenever you forget a wajib or a sunnah. And then also if you forget a fard, then you have to make up the fard. So in the middle tashahhud, if you rose up and you stood to the third rak'ah, you don't go back to do the middle tashahhud, but instead you do Sujud As-Sahw by the end. So you're in doubt how many rak'ahs you prayed, so you consider the lesser and you prayed an extra rak'ah, then by the end you pray Sujud As-Sahw. But what if I forget to make Sujud As-Sahw? Well, if the period was not too long, then you still make it. Like I was sitting making Khitam As-Salah, I recited Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar. Then I remembered I didn't do Sujud As-Sahw. I'm in the same position. Make sujood. But I left. I changed my position. I went home. Or I started a new prayer. I prayed sunnah. Then you don't do the sujood anymore because it's past. Its time is over. Especially when the sister says that in the sunnah prayer itself, she has forgotten something and she owes Sujud As-Sahw. Then you pray for the sunnah, but you don't pray the sujood for the fard, which you forgot as well.